Right, good afternoon. It is Wednesday the 24th of October 2018 and we have started our October holiday, our half-term holiday, and we've checked into the Sofitel Hotel at Gatwick and the girls have set up the picnic area.
Hotel room picnic.
Hotel room picnic. So the plan has been that we set out early today, but we ended up leaving around 10:30, 11, early enough. And then we stopped off at Basingstoke for a Wagamama's. So the plan is to have a day set back a bit so that the girls will go to sleep. That's our plan. Because the last time we stayed in Block Hotel over there, which you can't see, it's somewhere over there. The girls played up and we had an absolute nightmare. The plan is adjoining room. Cunning. It's our cunning plan. We had lunch early. We're gonna have tea early. And then we get to bed early because we have a
very early flight.
It's not crazy early, I mean it's 8 AM, so it's fairly early. And we can stay here and watch the train come in and out. Look at that. So I'll probably check in tomorrow. Wish us luck. Just remember how well it went last year, Mike. Morning, girls.
Morning.
You alright? Just breakfast in bed. So the time is 5:52 AM. Morning.
Morning.
Then disaster struck. I forgot to record all the mundane going through an airport footage. Shame, right? Come on, we're only here for the drone shots, aren't we? Quick villa tour. So this is the downstairs area. Kitchen. It's a foosball table. Yeah. Downstairs bathroom, shower, toilet. And yes, we're in Greece with tiny pipes, which means we can't flush toilet paper down the loo. Inside here, master bedroom. And then out here we have, so this is balcony number 1, which we basically look over at our Toyota Corolla. It's our hire car. And then over there is all just olive groves because this property and the property next door is a group of 2 villas that is owned by a farmer. There we go. Interesting fact, the EU has funded certain farmers to build properties so that it can bring income into the country. Over there, swimming pool with children in it and wife by the side of it. And then we go back through. We have Olivia's bedroom. We come in here, this is what Isabella's using as her room, and again with the second balcony to the front of the property. Go on, Liv, we're all watching.
Don't whine. Right, ready? Yeah, you need to just start the wiggle and then I'm pouring.
The bottom's stuck. No, okay, right, we're bailing on that. Back through the front door. And interesting enough, both of these villas are inspired by Bon Jovi albums. No, that's not true. This is Olive Garden Villas. There's 2 properties. One's called Elanthe, which is the one we're in. And the other one's called Athena, right? Elanthe, the olive tree flower. And then around here we have lots of olive trees in the garden with a swing on it. We have a outdoor dining area. This looks like a pizza oven, but it's actually a speciality Greek meat oven, which apparently you put the wood in, heat up the bricks around it, take the wood out, and it retains its heat and cooks you lamb, more recognisable barbecue. Outdoor seating area with some lights on the roof with a nice view too, so that's very nice. And then down here we also have a lower garden area. Nice view up to the property up there. And at the bottom of the garden we actually have 300 years old olive tree. Right then, now we're going to see if we can get Mummy in the pool. What do you reckon? You getting in the pool, Mummy?
Not at the minute.
Which means she wants me to get in the pool before her. Right then, is it time to get wet? Oh, there's only one way to do this. in, Mummy. The water's really nice and warm. We wouldn't fit, would we? No, it is freezing. We're having a great time. It's so warm. Come on, Mummy. Don't be such a wuss. I don't see anyone else being a wuss. Maria has her Crete guidebook out because she is furiously planning the rest of our week. We've been very blessed with some excellent weather. So we're going to try and go to a monastery tomorrow.
Yeah, or to Roman ruins.
And we're going to try and swim in the sea.
Yes, definitely.
So far we've been to Bali Beach, Panormo, Rethimo, and we've been to 3 Lidls. I'm not sure how many there are in Crete, but we've been to 3 of them.
Tomorrow we're going to a Roman archaeological site.
Oh, we're going all the way there?
And a beautiful beach.
Okay, tomorrow we have a long journey.
To the south coast.
I will close out this part of the trip and we will see you in the next one.